Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorial. Today we are talking about how to turn on two-step verification on Roblox. Why would you want to know how to turn on two-step verification on Roblox? Well, maybe it is your first time using Roblox and not sure how to turn on two-step verification on Roblox. So today I am going to show you how to turn on two-step verification on Roblox. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Turning on two-step verification on Roblox is quite simple and the process is easy to do. First of all, open Roblox. Now you are seeing different options in left corner. Click on button having three dots. Now click on settings. Click on security. Here you are seeing two-step verification methods. Select any and toggle on the button. There you go. If you wanted to know how to turn on two-step verification on Roblox, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, to leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.